As he prepared for launch, Tognini couldn't conceal his excitement, even as T-0 approached. Two weeks of biomedical, fluid, and material science experiments were ahead. 2 days later, flight controllers and Tognini's compatriots waited as the three cosmonauts prepared to dock with the Mir space station. 3 meters, 2, 1, and they're docked. Alexander Viktorenko and Alexander Kolaris, who had spent the past 5 months doing experiments, performing spacewalks, testing equipment for space manufacture, and exercising 4 hours a day so they'd be ready to return, greeted their new roommates. Tognini, well, he wasn't sure if he was weightless or swimming, but he sure was having fun. Then the hard work began. Time and space is precious, and Tognini only had 14 days. Soloviev and Avdayev will return early next year, installing gyrodynes and rocket engines in an ambitious series of EVAs. Tognini's Antares flight ended on the desert floor of Kazakhstan August 10th. The Soyuz descended on its parachute until within a few feet of the ground, then rockets fired, slowing it. But a slight imbalance left the command module on its side, with the usual exit hatch face down on the tundra. Viktorenko, Kaleri, and Tognini left the spacecraft out a smaller hatch in its nose, completing an Antares mission that started in a blaze of fire at Baikonur, traveled more than 6.5 million miles, and ended in a remote grassland in an independent country that didn't exist when the 2 Russian cosmonauts were launched some 5 months ago.
Everything is okay. Space station is very nice. I am a little bit tired, but I am ready to fly again. Tomorrow. Or after tomorrow.
3 men from 2 countries land in a third. They didn't know each other a few years ago. Now they're a team. A new world order in space, coexisting with an old world where transportation is by burro, not Buran. But as cooperation, not competition, becomes the byword in the outer space arena, what Russians, Frenchmen, and Americans do up there may just help the boys on the burro.